Hi there, Cher Johnston here. In today's Take a Stitch Tuesday video, we are going to do a chevron stitch. Now, if you know me, you know that I need to have lines drawn to stitch on camera. The chevron stitch has a little top thingy and then a V. I'm going to go from here down here and back up just to the left of that. Then I'm going to go back in just to the right of the bottom of the V, come back at the bottom of the V. Then again, I'm going to go up to the top of the next, and then down to the right and up. Down in the center and to the left, down to the right and up. And that's the chevron stitch. Thanks for watching. Bye.